CBL stands for Chemerong Berembun Langsir in Dungun, Terengganu. This trip was organized by Mossy trekkers. We divided our rations evenly. Forms must be filled in before we start the hike, and a short briefing by Mossy trekkers. Get ready guys, we will start shortly. So off we go. One of the river crossings, and our guide Zol guiding us. Taubat means repent. So, does this next climb makes you repent? We reached Camp Y in the afternoon. Perfect timing for our lunch. Yes, it's called Sungai Bangang, and it has a lovely green river. We reached Langsir around 6 p.m. after a short swim at Sungai Bangang. And the next morning, we enjoyed the lovely sunrise. Our campsite at Langsir, and there's a green swimming pool nearby. Our group photo before we descend. This is Berembun Peak at 3,405 feet above sea level. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.